Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer fulfillment from Shopify to ShipMonk, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer fulfillment from Shopify to ShipMonk, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the settings section found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. From the settings menu, click on Shipping and Delivery. Next, locate the Manage Rates option under the shipping profiles. Here, you will see your current shipping settings. To integrate ShipMonk, you need to create a ShipMonk account if you haven't done so already. Visit the ShipMonk website and sign up for an account. Once your account is set up, log into ShipMonk. In ShipMonk, head to the Integrations section. Here, you will find an option to connect your Shopify store. Click on the Shopify integration link and follow the prompts to log into your Shopify account. Authorize ShipMonk to access your Shopify data. Once authorized, ShipMonk will automatically sync your product inventory. Return to your Shopify dashboard and check under Apps for the ShipMonk app. When you find the ShipMonk app, make sure it is installed and properly configured. Next, configure your products for fulfillment by clicking on the Products tab in ShipMonk. Ensure each product has the correct SKUs that match those in Shopify. After this, set your shipping preferences in ShipMonk based on your business needs. You can specify shipping methods, dimensions, and weights for your products. Once everything is updated, proceed to set up your fulfillment locations in ShipMonk. Here, you can define which warehouse will handle your orders. Return to Shopify and navigate back to the Settings section. Under Shipping and Delivery, set ShipMonk as your primary fulfillment provider. Next, create shipping labels and packing slips in ShipMonk for your orders. When a customer places an order in Shopify, ShipMonk will receive the notification automatically. Monitor the order's fulfillment process directly through the ShipMonk dashboard. If you encounter any issues, consult the Help section in ShipMonk or Shopify for troubleshooting. You have now successfully transferred your fulfillment from Shopify to ShipMonk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.